This is the virtual field day activity water bottle trap. In this one, you're going to need an empty water bottle, a laundry basket, and one sock or ball. You want to lean the laundry basket up on the empty water bottle, just like you can see in the picture down here. The open side of the laundry basket should be facing you. You're going to go ahead and roll your ball or your sock ball towards the water bottle, trying to hit the water bottle to drop the basket. You can't hit the basket to knock over the water bottle. You have to hit the water bottle to knock over the basket. If you're able to do that and you trap the ball, you get 1 point. If the basket falls and you trap the water bottle but no ball, you get 2 points. If the basket falls and you trap both, you get 3 points. And honestly, if you knock over the water bottle and you don't trap anything, I still think that should be worth a point because that's still a pretty good skill. Now, it says you can use a soccer tennis ball. You can use a larger ball. Anytime things might be a little bit difficult, maybe give it a couple warm-ups, you can always use a larger ball, or you can get closer. And on the flip side, if it seems like it's an easy challenge for you, you can make it harder by using a smaller ball, or you can move farther away. So always find ways to make the game work for you. And in this game, you're going to keep track of your score, try to get as many times down the basket, over the ball, or over the water bottle as you can in 1 minute. For when we did it with my family, I let my kids play, and I was setting up the basket, and that way they could get more turns. You could do it that way, or you could play all by yourself, whatever works for you. Hope you enjoy this game. Hi, everyone. So we are going to play the Gallagher's Water Bottle Trap. This is our virtual field day event. We're going to set the timer for 1 minute. And here we're actually going to take turns. The kids are going to take turns rolling the ball, trying to knock over the water bottle so that way they can knock the basket on top of the water bottle and hopefully the ball too. That one didn't count. All right, so we got 18 points in our challenge. We hope you guys can have fun with this activity too. See you later.